Hello, Cindy. Long time no see. When I'm in the city, I often dream of a simple life. So whenever I have free time, I escape to my family's farmhouse. Here, I can breathe fresh air and enjoy the beauty of nature. Sobra nakakamiss ang buhay sa probensa. Hello, Cindy. Long time no see. Let's go, Cindy. Hello, good morning.
Aga? Sandy, ihanahulog ang wallet mo. Are they your parents?
Yes.
Lula, gutom na ako. Grandma, I'm hungry.
We don't have money to buy food yet. Wala pa tayo pera, apo. Mamaya na.
Okay ka lang ba? Gutom ka na?
Opo ate, wala pa po prero si Lola pambilit ng pagkain.
Ito na ang pera na makakabili ka ng pagkaan. It's all yours and buy food.
Thank you, ma'am. Wait. Sandalin, iha. Maraming salamat sa tulong mo.
Thank you.
Even when you had nothing to eat, you still chose to return my wallet. That means a lot.
Huh?
Kilala ko ang parents mo at ang kwato ng iyong pagsilang.
Ang weird ng kwento ni Lola. Nakaatakot. Stay here, Cindy. The air is so fresh. I love the province. Ang saraig talaga ng hangin dito. Kakaiba sa pakaraman. Ang tahas ng puno. But I feel strange. It's weird. Ito siguro yun sinasabi sa akin ng Lala kaniya. Ito ay bahati lamang ng kwento. Follow and comment for the next episode.